Unearthing the mysteries of lava. The Earth's inner workings have always been a source of fascination for scientists and adventurers alike. Deep within its core, a mesmerizing phenomenon occurs, one that has captivated human curiosity for centuries: lava. Lava is the molten rock that flows from volcanoes, unleashing its raw and elemental power. Lava is the molten rock that flows from volcanoes, unleashing its raw and elemental power. It is essentially molten rock that has been heated to extremely high temperatures, typically ranging from 700 to 1,200 degrees Celsius and 1,292 to 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit. Lava is formed when the Earth's mantle, located beneath the crust, experiences intense heat and pressure. This heat causes rocks to melt, forming a viscous, molten substance known as magma. Magma is less dense than the surrounding rocks, which allows it to rise towards the Earth's surface. When magma reaches the surface, it becomes lava. spewing out of the volcano and often flowing downhill, carving out landscapes and leaving behind a trail of destruction in creation. Lava can engulf buildings, roads, and infrastructure, causing extensive property damage. After an eruption, the vent through which lava erupted can collapse, forming a volcanic crater. A captivating natural wonder is a unique phenomenon that occurs when molten lava interacts with water bodies, such as oceans, lakes, or rivers. This phenomenon reminds us of the resilience and adaptability of life on our planet.